Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious iced tea with soda. This refreshing beverage combines the classic comfort of tea with the exciting fizz of your favorite carbonated drink. It's a simple yet versatile recipe, perfect for any occasion. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to mixing and customizing your perfect glass. Get ready to elevate your beverage game with this easy-to-follow guide, ensuring a delightful and bubbly experience every time you prepare it. To begin, you'll need to brew about 1 cup of strong tea, either black or green, and allow it to cool completely. Next, choose your soda. Popular options include lemon-lime soda, ginger ale, or even plain club soda for a less sweet version. Don't forget plenty of ice, a tall glass, and any garnishes you might like, such as fresh lemon slices or mint leaves. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable preparation process for your bubbly tea. Now for the fun part, mixing. First, fill your chosen glass generously with ice. Then, pour in your cooled tea, filling the glass approximately halfway. Next, slowly top the tea with your selected soda, leaving about 1 inch of space from the rim to prevent overflow. Stir the mixture very gently with a spoon to combine the flavors without losing too much of that wonderful carbonation. This careful approach ensures a perfectly balanced and fizzy drink. To serve, add a fresh garnish like a lemon wedge, a lime slice, or a sprig of mint to enhance both the appearance and aroma of your drink. For creative twists, consider adding a splash of fruit juice, a dash of flavored syrup, or even a few muddled berries for extra depth. You could also experiment with sparkling water and a flavored tea concentrate for a lighter, less sugary option. Enjoy your custom-made, bubbly iced tea creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.